Edge Talks. Unfiltered. Unstoppable.
मॉडलिंग when they were crowning me Navy Queen, वो एक feel आई तब I think I can do it. Entered the television industry. That's when I saw the struggle. उतने आप दिन के अगर आप 10 से 15 ऑडिशन नहीं कर रहे, then you are considered, are you even working?
Yeah.
Are you doing anything with your
Yes,
life? Why are you
yes.
there in Bombay? My parents have heard, अच्छा मॉडल है तो अड्डी कुड़ी तो
Yeah.
फिर
और की
you
करेगी?
have mills, why can't she just go there and manage one of them? But then if something is my passion, and then of course like fathers, how they are a bit protective about their daughters, nahi Bombay na ja, aina kar, how it is. But then they get used to that idea. Of course, I was at the peak of my career. I was doing Nagin season 4. आप इवेंट पे जाओगे, आप फोटो खिंचवाओगे, ओ ये पीछे इवेंट हो रहा है, मेरे फोटोज देखो, और एकदम से आपके एक हफ्ते में पता नहीं 50,000 फॉलोअर बढ़ गए. आपको दिलजीत ने बुलाया या आपको कहाँ से इनवाइट आ गया?
Hi, this is Amanpreet Wahi, and I welcome you to yet another exciting episode of our podcast. This is our season 3, and we welcome another beautiful guest here. Her name is Mrinalini Anand, and she wears many hats as the women today are doing. They're doing it all. She has been a model. She's represented our country. And she is a designer. She has 2 labels, but currently what she's enjoying the most is social media and influencing. So welcome, Mrinalini.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me.
So Mrinalini, please tell us without further ado how you started this career of being in the glamour world.
So, firstly, I was very creative from the very beginning. I used to enjoy canvas painting. I had that creative hand. I appeared for NIFT, I appeared for Pearl, I cracked both the schools. And then I went to NIFT Chennai. And from there, my journey started. I got picked up because I was always a very tall girl, and they wanted me to do a bit of ramp because how
Yeah.
dosti yaari mein hota hai na
Yes,
ki
yes.
I'm the designer, can you please
Yes,
work
I've
for
done
me?
so many student shows, I know.
Yes. From there, the journey of my pageant started. I became Navy Queen 2010. Although I'm not from the naval background,
Acha.
that year the auditions were open for the civilians as well.
which is rarely the case.
Yes, and I became Navy Queen 2010. And from there, the modeling career started. A bit of print.
But
a bit
कभी
of
सोचा था कि मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था that I want to be a model. I did not want to be a model. It just happened. It just fell into my lap. So did you aspire to be a model?
Well, I always wanted to be a top designer. Modeling, when they were crowning me Navy Queen, वो एक feel आई तब I think I can do it. And I might have that in me. तब सोचना start किया था. And the universe was so kind that things just fell in my lap automatically.
So was it difficult to enter the modeling world? Like a lot of people feel it's very difficult, it's a struggle.
I think what you
And people are not kind in the beginning.
Oh yes, they are not kind. I have seen people not being kind to my fellow models.
Yeah.
But then how I actually believe in manifestation from a very young age. And initially I was very religious, now more spiritual. I think the power of ardas and manifestation always works. So for me it was a very smooth journey. And when you
Which is rarely the case.
Yes.
Because like initially, modeling, everyone thinks it's so glamorous. I want to be a model. All you have to do is make up hair in front of the camera. Ta, your life is so easy. So आपकी क्या struggle रही?
Struggle. So I became Miss India 2012 via Indian Princess. I went for my international pageant. Out of 60 countries, I was in top 7. From there, I got picked up from Bollywood ka television industry. I did a couple of shows with Balaji. But when I actually entered the television industry, that's when I saw the struggle. उतने आप दिन के अगर आप 10 से 15 ऑडिशन नहीं कर रहे, then you are considered, are you even working?
Yeah.
Are you doing anything with your
Yes,
life? Why are you
yes.
there in Bombay? Even if you have an off day and you just want to enjoy the sun, you want to go out with friends. But if you're not going for auditions, you're not lining up, you are considered a loser. So I saw
Correct.
that struggle. Fortunately, I was blessed that I did not have to send anything back to my family in terms of finances. People who were financially weak, who did not come from very strong families, I saw the struggle unke lens se, like how they were taken for granted, how they had to face that casting couch because they were friends. They got back to us and they told us the horrendous stories. So yes, I have seen struggle via somebody else's lens.
Correct.
But yes, when somebody tried to act smart with me, and I'm a proper सरदारनी ते फिर जब गाला पहन दिया ने फिर पहन दिया ने so
I like that. तो मॉडलिंग के अर्ली डेज में आपने बताया कि कैसे चैलेंजेस रहे, तो एक सक्सेसफुल मॉडल के लिए there's a lot of negativity, jealousy, और आपको क्या लगता है सबसे बड़ी मुसीबत क्या है टू बी अ मॉडल, लाइक कंपटीशन, स्कैंडल्स या करियर इनसिक्योरिटी? बिकॉज एज अ मॉडल लाइक इनिशियली पीपल यूज्ड टू आस्क मी, वो आपकी बेटी क्या करती है, मॉडलिंग करती है, अच्छा बट और क्या करती है?
God, you went through that?
मॉडलिंग ही करती है, तो they're like अच्छा, so there is no job security, we don't have a fixed income, every month there's no contract. And अगर आप देखो, I've experienced that, सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड अगर आप लिखते हो ना बैंक में भी, टू अप्लाई इवन फॉर अ लोन, वो भी नहीं आपको मिलता बिकॉज यू आर अ मॉडल.
I don't know why that rigidness in the mind. If somebody is self-employed, I think we should appreciate the fact that they are working towards their goal, their passion, their dream. Yes, this my parents have heard. अच्छा model है तो अड़ी कुड़ी, तो फिर you have mills. Why can't she just go there and manage one of them? But then, if something is my passion, and I think I will work day and night to make it come true. But if something is forced on me, I can't do that, no matter how much help I have.
Correct.
So yes, the money was scanty in the beginning in modeling.
Of course.
But then, once you are passionate about something, you make it work.
So what about fake friendships in modeling?
Oh my God.
सब फ्रेंडली दिखते हैं, and then the minute you turn around, इसने ये वेट पुट ऑन कर लिया, इसके नेल्स ऐसे थे, अब ये परफेक्ट नहीं लग रही थी, अब ये परफेक्ट लग रही थी, ये इतनी परफेक्ट कैसे लगती है, ये परफेक्ट क्यों नहीं लग रही है? It's like crazy.
So Delhi modeling scene तो मतलब आपके कुछ ऐसे फ्रेंड्स बनते हैं जो जेन्युइन अच्छे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं. बाकी देयर आर पीपल हु प्रिटेंड टू बी योर फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज यू माइट गेट देम अ शूट और टू कि अच्छा इसके साथ दिखूंगी, अच्छा वो फोटोग्राफर इसका दोस्त है ना, सो लेट मी जस्ट हैंग आउट विद हर, आई माइट गेट अ गुड कैंपेन. दैट्स डेफिनेटली देयर. बट देन हाउ यू बिकम स्मार्टर, हाउ यू कैन नेविगेट योर वे थ्रू सच पीपल, एंड उस टाइम यू आर ऑल्सो देयर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. ओ डार्लिंग, ओ आई एम डेफिनेटली योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड. बट देन यू नो टू कीप देम एट डिस्टेंस. सो इनिशियली धोखे खाए, बट फिर समझ आ गई थोड़ी बहुत.
सो व्हाट अबाउट दोस सीक्रेट डील्स? क्योंकि हमें भी पता है बहुत बारी मेरिट पे आपको काम नहीं मिलता. मुझे बहुत बारी मेरिट पे काम मिला है, आई बीन वेरी लकी, बट बहुत बारी मुझसे वो काम छीन लिया गया है जहाँ पे लोगों ने कुछ और एक्सपेक्ट किया हो. जैसे मैं तो कास्टिंग काउच की बात भी नहीं कर रही, मैं वहाँ तक भी पहुंची. पीपल हैव एक्सपेक्टेड मी टू जस्ट गो आउट फॉर डिनर विद देम एंड आई हैव रिफ्यूज्ड. व्हाई? व्हाट डू आई नीड टू डू फॉर, लाइक व्हाई? Why can't we talk about work in your office? तो ये सीक्रेट डील्स की वजह से काफी लड़कियों को वो काम मिल जाते थे जो मैं डिजर्व करती थी. सो आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
Okay, now I don't want to take names.
Don't take names, but you can share.
So when I was going for one of the most renowned pageants, उनके family member audition ले रहे थे दिल्ली में, ठीक है? And I was called to their office. And he was a handsome looking guy, and I was like, whoa, not bad, huh?
At least he was handsome.
Oh, he was definitely handsome.
Cherry, some consolation prize.
He was definitely handsome. And he told me that, you have potential and definitely you're going to crack this and that. Then, he called me the next day also, and in a public place. It was not like, ki haan bhai, kuch dingy place mein bulao, nothing like that. And he was like, you know what, I can make you win, but if you become my girlfriend. And I told him on his face, oh my God, what a shame, a handsome guy, you have to do this. Why? Use your charm, bro. Just be charming. What people think in this industry is if they have some kind of power. अगर आज की डेट में मैं बैठ के ऑडिशन ले रहा हूँ, so I can demand A, B, C.
It is power tripping.
Why?
It is power tripping.
I think if somebody deserves something, and if, for example, if a girl wins to represent our country.
Because I feel that, you would agree that so many people are good looking now.
Yes.
So many girls are beautiful. It's not only you are like Aishwarya Rai. So many people look beautiful.
Definitely.
So why are they only asking you? You're sometimes like, why are they asking? So they also, actually, I got the answer from this one man. He's like, it's not about they're not other good-looking women. I'm asking you because I am giving you this opportunity. So power is in my hand to make you the next Aishwarya, to make you the next Priyanka Chopra. True. So tomorrow you should feel like this man made me. So hence I want this in return. Power tripping, ego.
Power tripping, ego trips.
Male ego.
In fact, during the pageant days, there were so many girls who have made it quite big in the industry. like very big. वो अब meme page बन गई है शायद उसका एक
हाँ,
बेचारी
हाँ,
का. So maybe you know, like how she navigated her way, she had different ways, whatever XYZ. I think it depends from person to person how desperate you are. If you have confidence in yourself that yeah, if not this, then that. Kahin na kahin life will work out for
Yeah.
everyone.
Yeah.
There is something for everyone.
Yep.
So I think if somebody wants to enter this industry, you have to stop with the desperation. Because if those jungli bhediye, if they sense
Yeah.
itna sa bhi desperation,
they'll take advantage
definitely.
of it. So कभी किसी फैशन शो या शूट में कोई फाइट या कंट्रोवर्सी की बात हुई या some model gave you a big time attitude. You know, a few episodes back, I actually called a fellow model of mine. She was a junior model when I was like the top model. So I'm like, कभी किसी से bully हुई है? She's like, yeah. किससे? आपसे.
I know this girl, she's one of my closest friends.
No, negative. So anybody who gave you some
hard
attitude
time.
problem?
You know, I was very sour. So yeah, like I got snide remarks definitely. Because when you're new, people don't accept you very easily. You know, I remember I borrowed my mother's Chanel once, you know, and I was so excited to take it for one of my fashion tours. And you know, this model that time she was quite established. She made this comment, oh, fakeness ki dukaan.
Oh my god.
And I went and I actually confronted her. मैंने कहा, do you even know if this is fake or not?
Yeah.
Even if I'm carrying a fake.
Yeah, why do you-
Maybe I
yeah.
can't afford it. Maybe कुछ नहीं हो
बोलो
सकता.
आप भी कैरी कर लो.
नहीं, किसी का शौक है, कुछ भी है. You know, but I don't know. People they feel we get on top when we make snide remarks, but that's actually catty. You know, if we work on our own selves, if we work on our own craft. See, I remember that girl very well. So, आज की date में if she'll come and she'll you know give me a compliment, I will have that at the back of my mind,
Yeah.
like what kind of a person she was when I was very new in the industry.
Correct. So modeling and fashion industry where you know it goes hand in hand. They think we're alcoholics and we take drugs and all of that. तो ये कितना सच है?
We don't take drugs for sure, and alcohol. I think
Drugs modeling में I mean आप प्लीज नॉर्मल लोगों को देख लो आजकल किसकी जेब में क्या नहीं है. I mean I feel it's such a big hypocrisy that people are living with. उड़ता पंजाब. I mean Delhi is flying right now. Everyone
Yes.
has access to everything.
True.
So why are we so banaam?
I'll tell you what I have seen. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में we are so conscious about what we eat and what we don't eat. हमारा ड्रग ब्लैक कॉफी है जो मुझे लगता है,
Yeah.
जिस पे हम सब सर्वाइव करते हैं.
Yeah.
Alcohol we stay away from. Of course, if you're a ramp model, you need to be very skinny. You don't want those liquid calories. फालतू की. You might as well have dessert, right?
Yes.
But yes, our industry is given the backlash because we belong from the glamour world. एक MNC में या एक कॉल सेंटर की जॉब के लिए ना उस लड़की के लिए भी उतना मुश्किल होता है. एक फ्लो मैनेजर बोलता
Yeah,
है,
correct.
if you want to make it to the top, you have to do this. You
Yeah.
have to maybe you know
Exactly. It
take a
exists
joint
everywhere.
with me.
Yeah.
It's everywhere. But our
Exploitation.
industry is given the backlash because we are in the limelight.
Exactly. We're seen.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, it's everywhere.
Yeah.
Like, you know, Madhur Bhandarkar, he made a movie, fashion, and then he made corporate as well.
Yes.
So it's everywhere. It
Everywhere.
exists everywhere. Negative elements of the society are everywhere. So it will
In fact,
happen.
I feel more than our industry, at least we are given an option.
Yeah. To say
If
no,
you-
yeah.
To say no. People who work in corporate, they have
उनकी तो प्रमोशन ही नहीं रहती,
नहीं
जॉब
होती.
चली जाती है.
20, 25, 30 हजार की जो सैलरी है, बेचारे they are kicked out of their jobs and they don't have anywhere else to go.
Exactly. So modeling के में आने से पहले, what was your aspiration? You told us कि modeling बनना मतलब model बनना हमेशा से आपका नहीं था, but you were very interested
Yeah.
in the gram. So उससे पहले कोई alternate career like MBA, मेरे को तो बिल्कुल MBA का, मेरे को एक बार डॉक्टर बनना था, फिर मुझे MBA करनी थी, फिर मुझे एयर होस्टेस बनना था, वो बिल्कुल रियलिस्टिक था. मैंने
यहाँ पे
कहा अब
high
मैं
five.
एयर होस्टेस बन रही हूँ. फिर पता नहीं कैसे मॉडल बन गई.
So, as I told you, I am a degree holder from NIFT. So, during our internship, I got the opportunity to work with amazing buying houses and export houses. I was designing for Bershka in between.
हाँ. अच्छा.
I was designing
It's
for-
one of my most favorite high
Yes,
street brands.
Yes. I was designing for Miss Selfridges. I did internship with such amazing brands. And I was good at that. But then, you know, the problem I would say with this industry is, बेचारे वो इतनी मेहनत करते हैं. We get the glamour.
Yeah.
But at the back, they are working their asses
Yes.
off. You know,
Correct.
एक ऑफिस आने का टाइम है 9 o'clock. But then when you leave, there is no time. So I realized I'm young right now, maybe, because I have done some work in this industry, I don't want to regret in life कि ये नहीं करा. Design element can come in my life when I'm 50 also. I can open a brand. But ramp and print and pageants will not come.
बिल्कुल.
Yes.
Correct. तो स्कूल या कॉलेज में आपकी पर्सनालिटी कैसी थी? एंड यू वर ऑलवेज अ कॉन्फिडेंट गर्ल, यू टोल्ड अस. एंड दिल्ली और चेन्नई, निफ्ट में भी आपने काम किया इन चेन्नई आल्सो. सो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस देयर एंड हाउ डिड दैट शेप योर करियर?
So 12th standard, I remember I put on a bit of weight. I was always a very skinny girl. But then I went to NIFT Chennai, and first when I got my result, everybody was so happy because that time only 7 centers were there, and I think 700 boys and girls used to get selected, and I was one of them. My family was so proud. Oh, she is a Niftian now. I landed in Chennai, तो रो के मैं वहाँ पहुंची. मैंने कहा मेरे को इडली डोसा नहीं खाना, और जो मैं सिर्फ इडली डोसा खाती हूँ.
अच्छा.
I love South Indian.
अच्छा, okay, so मुझे भी इडली डोसा नहीं खाना होता. Like once in 6 months खा सकती हूँ मैं.
बस spoken like a Sultan.
Yeah, totally.
I went there, and first time, out of my parents' protection, I was in hostel. I lost 12 kgs in 1 month.
अच्छा.
I got malaria. I used to cry day and night that I don't want to be in Chennai. I might sound like a racist right now. मैं काले पीला विच नहीं रहना. I'm sorry. I was like, no, it's all done. And because that time I was doing my internship and my job with this bank house. My mother said, if you have done it, just go for it. You never know if it clicks or not. I applied for it. I won. Then I went for Pantaloons, Fresh Face India. I was the second runner up there. So my fellow contestants were Disha Patani and all these people. We had a great time there. We were there. We were there in Bombay for 10-12 days. Over there, I saw Bombay was something I can vibe with. Like how people in Delhi like to dress up and they have their own thing going. You have your groups. Bombay, it was all very relaxed. I thought, okay, maybe if I win, I might stay back and I might do something. So I think that's what clicked and took me back to Bombay.
So they say pageants are all beauty with brains, but so I'm a Glad Rags winner, and it was very much told to us clearly by Mrs. Maureen Maria. I will be asking you one question.
Okay.
Hope you get that right, but I do not care about the answer.
Okay.
You will win if you look
nice.
You look like Glad Rags mega model. The word suggests mega model. It wasn't like, and it was not like आप छोटे भी हो तो आप win कर जाओगे, आप मोटे भी हो. She had very high standards for you to be the perfect mega model. Everything perfect, body perfect, face perfect, jawline, acting skills, photography, photogenic, everything.
Yeah.
You had to be 10 out of 10. But nowadays, there's a lot of inclusivity and people are saying so many things you see nowadays. तो plus size model भी हैं ये वो. तो आपको कब लगा कि okay, pageants are a little more than looks? Did you feel that, or you also felt that it's all about looks?
So Delhi mein, I participated in one of the pageant. It was a pageant. It was like a show. I think it was done by Rashmi
Virmani.
Yes. Over there, like how you're terming Glad Rags as it was all about looks.
Yes.
So girls who won, they had no interest like happening कि हाँ भी question answer round होगा. So on the day of the finale, it was announced that there would be no question answer round. And they were the happiest. And I remember it was very rude. One of the judges, she came backstage and we all were getting ready. And she said, I am so glad there is no question answer round. And one of the contestants, she asked, why, ma'am? Oh, otherwise the fat ones get to win. And I was like, oh my God, is somebody recording this? That happened.
That's body shaming.
Oh, definitely. But the girls who won, they are like dear friends. They did pretty well, and of course they look beautiful. But I realized when you are going to another country to represent your own country, there is a sense of pride, there is a sense of responsibility.
Yes.
You just can't be all beauty. Because if you go there, if you say something
Grey matter.
absolutely, if you say something absurd, you are shaming your country.
Yes.
So beauty and brains should go hand in hand 50-50. Like universe, you don't need brains. What I know now, because it's all about the perfect body and that swimsuit round and that walk,
Yeah.
But if you are going for Miss World, Miss Tourism, Miss Supra, you need brains.
Yeah. So many contests like Miss Navy Queen 2011, Indian Princess 2013. So जब आप stage पे होते हो, like I was asked the most difficult question in the history of pageants by Mrs. John Abraham, and you know अभी भी जो contestants जाते हैं तो उनको एक example मिलता है कि एक contestant को ये question पूछा गया था, सोचो उसने क्या किया होगा, फिर भी मैं जीत गई थी. Can't even repeat that question. Okay, so how is it emotionally challenging?
First, I'm intrigued. What was that question?
How will you explain color red to a blind man?
I have seen that. Oh yes.
That was me. Poor soul. That's not even a question. That's a brain twister.
Yes.
You can't ask that. I mean, why? Why would Mr. John out there do that to a young girl, 21 years old, when you've been a model yourself, when he was a Glad Rags winner? So that was really harsh. I feel that was a really mean question. And you know, I had really prepared myself about Mother Teresa and world peace. But I was asked this question. So, lucky me or unlucky me, I'm here.
Oh, of course you won. Of course. So yes, you were saying something.
Yes. So how is that emotionally challenging for a contestant to be on stage?
So when
In front of so many people, like
so many
stage
people.
jitters or fright.
You know, when we went for our international pageant, they told us that they would be asking us this one question, and they gave us that question. And I actually thought about it. They said, "Okay, you just have to answer what is your most favorite festival celebrated in your country and why."
Wow.
And I actually thought, I'm from India, dude. यहाँ पे हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा होता है.
दिवाली
And
और क्या ही बोलना था.
क्या बोलना है? And that time, you know, there was this rape case
Okay.
that happened, and it was very brutal. So I actually told on stage that the festival that is celebrated in my country and I love it the most is celebrating womanhood. And I know, and I actually got that back question. What about the case? But then there are so many people, you know, women are worshipped here in form of
Yeah.
goddesses.
Durga.
We have brothers and, you know, friends who actually take pride in us.
Yes.
Of course, there are monsters out there,
Of
be it in
course.
India, be it any country, anywhere. But how women are respected in our country is different than other countries, what I've seen.
Yes.
So yes, I take pride in that, and I gave that answer, and of course there was this applause, and I can't, I can never forget that moment, how it makes you feel.
So जब आप IMC 2012 की finalist थी, तब judges और organizers का क्या experience था? मैंने तो अपना बता ही दिया है भाई. So कोई आपका ऐसा moment जो life changing रहा हो?
Yes. So I was. So there was this contestant in my batch. आजकल वो काफ़ी famous हैं internet पे. उनके काफ़ी strong statements आते हैं हर चीज़ पे. So she was in my batch, and we got to know that she has already won the contest I went for in the previous year, and she was in a contract with them.
I know who you're talking about.
You know.
I think so.
So we told the organizers that we got to know that she has won and she's in a contract, but nobody listened to us back then. And of course, you know, favorism, we saw that, but yeah, she was a beautiful girl back then. Like, she looked divine, no doubt about that. But then, as I said, beauty with brains has to go hand in hand, right? Of course, then she was dethroned, and whatever happened. Like, she claims that she was young and she was dethroned, that was the major thing. But then no, there are so many factors. Like, if I am in the pageant industry, if I'm going, I need to have something here and here, mainly here, because you know, if you are not congenial, if you're not humble, if I don't have that in me, I might as well enter the glamour, the modeling industry where this sells.
Yes.
But if I'm in the pageant industry, I have to give it back to the society. You have to go with a purpose. So yes, that was my experience. It was very nice. Shushmita ma'am trained us, and we were there for 22 days in Hyderabad, and it was life-changing. Made so many friends. She's fantastic. Hi, mera bacha. How she's
She's a mom. She's very warm. Yeah.
But then yeah, of course, there are people whom you can gel with, and there are people whom you can't.
So now, so coming to this side of the pageant, if you were a judge today, what are the qualities you would look for in a model representing a country or representing a state on the stage today?
I would like to spend some time with the contestants. I just don't want to come at the very last day and just judge, because to judge somebody it's very easy. But I would like to get to know them. Maybe I would like to attend a few sessions with them, and I want a person who is driven passionately. If she has a purpose, if she really wants to be there, and somebody who has that kind of knowledge, somebody who will not make a fool of herself.
So Mrinalini, this so much talk about modeling and pageants, and now coming to your fashion designing life. So how did you think कि okay now मुझे brand launch करना है, apparel line में जाना है?
So first I did a couple of jobs like with buying houses and export houses. In 2019 I got married. In 2020 COVID के बीच में एक कीड़ा आया, घर रह के मैं
People, मृणालिनी जो इस शो में आते हैं, इतने सारे करियर्स, जब भी मैं उनको पूछती हूँ कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुए, एक्चुअली कोविड.
Of course it was not a blessing, but then for some people in the creative sense it was a blessing. Yes. And I started with my brand, and amongst COVID इतना ज़्यादा चल रहा था, एक पास बनवाना पड़ता था. Had to travel to factory every day back and forth, and launched my brand during COVID. It was online delivery, online portal पे था, Instagram पे था. Now we are on Amazon, Flipkart, everywhere. So it did well, and of course started another one. But now it's on autopilot mode. My brother, we work side by side, and we are doing it. It's going well. That's why I started concentrating on other aspects of life.
That's fantastic. तो आप अपना एक successful apparel brand को high brand बनाने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं? Like it's already reached where it's reached. You telling us?
So I have a factory in Noida too. And high brand बनाने की तो बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. Like I told you, it's not at all glamorous. जाने का टाइम आने का टाइम नहीं है. So of course we do bridal wear as well. We do couture, and that's by appointment. And I have a workshop there because you need a team. You need an army of people to make it work when you are designing Indian wear. So that's a different aspect. But yes, I'm not concentrating on that too much. Things which are on autopilot mode हैं अभी चल रही हैं by God's grace. Baki, I'm trying to concentrate more on influencing, and because it's doing well.
So I am a very, very social person. I think everyone in Delhi knows that. I know everyone and the whole world knows me. And so are you. So इतने big social circle में क्या fake है, क्या real है, कभी-कभी we also lose sense of that. So who's your closest friend, you would say?
I have quite a few close friends from this industry. God has been kind. That fake friends नहीं मिले. कुछ फेक मिले हैं, बट वो छट भी गए हैं.
हमने सुना है किसी फेक फ्रेंड ने कोई बड़ा सीक्रेट कभी आपका रिवील किया हो जो आप नहीं चाहते थे कोई सुनना चाहे, ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
Somebody tried to meddle with my work, and this is one thing I cannot take, be it from a family or friend. So when I was doing well, so-called friend tried to meddle with my work. Tried to navigate her way through, okay, don't give her work and whatever. But yes,
oh my god,
like how you told अभी थोड़ा देर पहले कि ऐसे लोग होते हैं who try to take away your work, who try to put you in a bad light. But then yes, I have very strong faith in karma, and of course वो अकल आ जाती है. Like you fool me once, shame on you. You fool me twice, shame on me.
Absolutely, very well said. Absolutely. That is the mantra you should live for. Mrinalini, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
So it has been more than a year and a half for me in this field, and I'm loving what I'm making. I'm loving my reels. It just comes naturally. I like to observe people. I like to observe, especially family में, ऐसे नमूने भी निकल आते हैं जिनको आप copy करो, and it just blasts on social media. It does really well. In 5 years, I want to see my work become better. I want to see, till a year back, I never used to call myself an influencer because I was not influencing anyone. I was just making people smile. But then I started with this series where I addressed the social taboos and social norms. And it was a 10 episode series, and it came out so beautifully. And I feel that's when I became an influencer, because I was able to influence people. I got such heart-warming messages from people that आपने ये reel बनाई है, it has happened with us.
So what was your most influential वायरल रील जिसके बाद आपको लगा ओ माय गॉड नाउ अब मुझे सीरियसली लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं?
वायरल तो जो गई है वो अच्छी वायरल गई है, बट दैट वाज अगेन अ कॉमेडी रील. बट जो मेरी सीरीज में से वायरल हुई है, इट वाज बेटी और बेटी जैसी. यू नो हाउ अस विमेन हम बड़ा नारा लगाते हैं कि हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, लेकिन व्हेन यू सी अपने घर में ही आपकी एक बहू भी है, एक आपकी बेटी है और आपकी कोई एक होगी, यू नो एज अ मदर आई वुड बी लाइक ओ माई बेटी इज़ ऑल ओ नाजुक कली है, ये ना करवाओ. बट किसी और की बेटी जो मेरी बेटी बनकर आई है, आई विल थिंक शी इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, मे बी शी कैन डू इट. It is very important for me to realize that she all holds equal weightage. You know how women bring down other women. We have to empower our daughter-in-laws, our daughters, everyone.
That's what I spoke to my friend about also, another guest, कि हम बात कर रहे हैं women empowerment, me too, you know, women are picking each other up, but ऐसा नहीं है. There's so much underlying negativity and jealousy. Women are trying to bring women down. It is happening everywhere. So fake influencers और paid followers का इंडस्ट्री में आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड है. लाइक उसने खरीद लिए, मैं ही नहीं खरीद पाई आज तक, मुझे भी खरीदने हैं. बिकॉज आजकल मुझे लग रहा है इंस्टाग्राम ने बहुत लिमिटेड कर दिया, फॉलोअर्स stuck हैं,
बहुत stuck
हैं. I really feel that because initially honestly like I was very apprehensive to be on Insta because I'm from the generation when there was no Insta. तो लोग कहते थे Insta, I'm like मुझे क्या करना है, I'm in the page 3 every day, and then I started realizing that social media is the future. मुझे पोस्ट भी नहीं लगाना आता था, ऐसे ही रैंडम कोई पोस्ट लगा देती थी, कोई कंटेंट नहीं है, कुछ भी, फॉलोअर्स बढ़ते रहते थे. आजकल नहीं बढ़ते कुछ तो या रियली बूस्ट एंड पुट मनी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट लोगों के फॉलोअर्स ऐसे धड़ाधड़ बढ़ रहे हैं. लाइक हॉलीवुड स्टार्स से ज्यादा उनकी मिलियंस में फॉलोअर्स हैं. मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रही कैसे. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
तो मैंने एक टर्म निकाला है, एक इन्फ्लुएंसर होता है, एक ब्लॉगर होता है. देयर आर पीपल हु आर कॉल्ड प्रोफेशनल इवेंट अटेंडर्स. आप इवेंट पे जाओगे, आप फोटो खिंचवाओगे, ओ ये पीछे इवेंट हो रहा है, मेरे फोटोज देखो. आप 6-8 फोटोज आप एक पोस्ट लगा दोगे और वो आपका कंटेंट है, और एकदम से आपके एक हफ्ते में पता नहीं 50,000 फॉलोअर बढ़ गए.
हाँ.
उस इवेंट में ऐसा क्या था, आपको दिलजीत ने बुलाया या आपको कहाँ से इनवाइट आ गया कि आपके 50,000 फॉलोअर्स बढ़ गए? Nobody is blind now, you know. There are apps where you can actually see आपका जो ग्राफ है वो कब ग्रो करा है, और अगर आपका ग्रीन में जा रहा है, आपकी एक रील गई है जो वायरल जा रही है, उस पे हैंड इन हैंड उतने लाइक्स, उतने कमेंट्स, उतने फॉरवर्ड्स, उतने सेव्स आ रहे हैं, मैच नहीं कर रहे. आपने अपने फॉलोअर्स बढ़वाने हैं, बढ़वाइए. इनफैक्ट बिकॉज नाउ आई ट्राई एंड पोस्ट 4 to 5 times a week,
which is like almost every day. How do you stay updated with the latest content? That's a lot of work.
I'm just working hard because I'm loving this. It has become my passion. So it is not work for me. It has become very organic. It comes to me naturally. And there are days when I'm not feeling well. I don't want to put on makeup. And I will think of an idea. अच्छा, इस पे makeup की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let me just get up, make this quickly. Edit it, and I can just sleep आराम से.
So how do you think, what do you think कि आपके followers क्या सबसे ज़्यादा, किस कंटेंट से सबसे ज़्यादा रिलेट कर पा रहे हैं? लाइक देसी पेरेंट्स, रिलेशनशिप्स या कुछ और?
Of course there is relatable comedy because me and my husband we stay alone. तो हमारी लाइफ में कॉमेडी बहुत होती है, कुछ ना कुछ, कभी कोई दोस्त आ गया, ऐसा हो गया, कुछ हो गया. That is of course there, you know, and people like to see family politics in a funny way, which I do definitely. But what amazed me the most was people are very much keen to see reels on social taboos and how we address them because we have a platform. And if we will not do it, then who else will? कब तक आप अपने बाल झटका लोगे, ज्वेलरी दिखा दोगे, कब तक आप कर लोगे? At times you need to have the talk, and that's important.
तो आपके DMs में मुझे काफी सबको ही आते हैं. आई थिंक ये तो बहुत ही गुड क्वेश्चन है. आपके DMs में आपको क्या फनी मैसेज आया आज तक? Anything you like to share? किसी कोई सेलेब का मैसेज आया कभी?
सेलेब का मैसेज मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं. मतलब या when I was in Bombay, when I was working, and I have friends from television industry, किसी एक unknown का ऐसे आया था and it was very cheesy and I was like I blocked him then and there. But now you know like एक बहुत funny अभी recently हुआ, एक किसी का paragraph लिख के आया, you are this and that and this, and I went to my husband, you know, I was like Danish, कुछ तारीफों के पुल बांधे जा रहे हैं. कहता हाँ, tell him try living with humans. I said oh my god, such a cliche line. But then yeah, of course there are DMs which appreciate your work and who like to see something. In fact, when I did the social series, I got so many DMs from men that can you please make a reel on this, because I don't have it in me to say this to my mother, because my wife is there and my mother thinks I will side with her. So can you please make a reel on this? So maybe, randomly if I'm scrolling, sitting with her, I can show her this reel. It can help me in some way. There were so many messages. And of course, I felt I am doing something, I'm doing my bit.
तो अगर किसी बहुत ही मेजर इन्फ्लुएंसर का डेटा लीक हो जाए तो who is the biggest scammer of it all? नाम लेना है किन्होंने सबसे ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स खरीदे हुए हैं, क्या लगता है? किसी का नाम लेना चाहते हैं?
आपको जॉन सर ने बोला था ना, हाउ विल यू डिस्क्राइब द कलर रेड? कैन यू सी द कलर रेड राइट नाउ? God, see, Delhi, and so there is this rivalry between Delhi and Gurgaon influencers. वो हमारे बारे में कुछ बोलते हैं, हम उनके बारे में कुछ बोलते हैं, and people, see, I feel somebody who's doing very well, who's curating a lot of events, who is giving out content which is there everywhere, उनके बारे में तो बातें होती ही होंगी, because हमें पचता नहीं है ना कि हम किसी को ग्रो करता हुआ कैसे देख लें. So of course there, when you sit in groups, so-called groups, who are like कौन से group का part हो? I get this question so many times. आपका group कौन सा है? I'm not a part of any group. But then I think आप जो influencers अभी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, आप उनको ले लो. अगर डेटा लीक होता है, वहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ तो ऐसा मिलने वाला है ना. That's going to be dangerous.
ठीक है, आपने नाम नहीं लिया, फिर भी कोई नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम पार्ट 2 में. So Mrinalini, so many events, every day invited to 50, because when you're a famous face, you're also invited, influencing social media, it's all a part and parcel. You want to be seen also, you want to reciprocate to people who've come for your event, तो उनके लिए भी जाना पड़ता है. तो अब क्या हो रहा है, लोग गुस्सा भी हो जाते हैं, मेरे से तो बहुत ही लोग गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, she has so much attitude, कहीं नहीं आती, all of that.
So in between, I did a few events. I started curating events and I was very new. So in 2 months, I did about 7 events. So मेरा हर हफ्ते एक event हो रहा था. उस दौरान मुझे हर एक event पे पहुंचना पड़ता था. Like if I have my event at night, I had to go for the event which was happening in the afternoon. And it was not because of that give and take. It was because of friendship. Because I thought, okay, we are close, and definitely, like रात को event है, I can definitely go. But these days, it's like a barter. If I am coming for your event, you have to come for mine. Otherwise, people will start giving snide remarks.
Yeah.
They will start posting stories. Oh, there are few influencers who think so high of themselves and they want to invite people, but they don't want to go for people. They don't want to support their fellow influencers. Things like that. किसी के घर में कुछ problem भी है. You will not understand that. Why? There are events, of course, you have to pick and choose. You are special for me, I will go for your event. If I don't have the time, then you have to understand that too.
Correct. But
They don't.
They think we are just like dolls who need to be there, looking like a Barbie doll every day. We don't have a personal life. हमारे घर में बच्चे नहीं है, हमारे घर में माँ बाप नहीं है, अपनी personal life नहीं है, self care, gym, 1000 चीजें होती हैं, woman needs to take care of. So yeah, but they don't understand.
In fact, I have stopped going when I feel it is interfering with my personal life. एंड मेरे को लगता है आपको एक बार बुरा लगेगा ना, एक बार ठीक है, आई हैव डन 10 गुड थिंग्स फॉर यू, आई हैव स्पोकन टू यू सो नाइसली एवरी सिंगल टाइम, बट इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू कम फॉर दैट वन इवेंट एंड इफ यू वांट टू थिंक लेस ऑफ मी, देन मे बी दैट्स फॉर माई बेटरमेंट.
Yeah, I think that attitude works best. So tell me, so initially, who supported you the most out of your parents, and who are you closest to, mom and dad, mom or dad?
So my
और
father.
किसने ज़्यादा influence किया?
So my father, he owns textile mills. So we have a business in Ahmedabad and Jodhpur, and we are into printing. So Papa used to be away, like महीने में about for like 10, 12, 15 days. It was my mother who always stood by us. And सुबह 6 बजे बस आनी है, तैयार करके लेके जाना. She was the one who said, just go for everything. If somebody says modeling क्यों, I am there to give them that answer. Modeling क्यों नहीं, वो मेरी बेटी है, वो सब करेगी, उसका जो मैं नहीं कर पाई वो करेगी. And then of course, like fathers, how they are a bit protective about their daughters. नहीं बॉम्बे ना जा, ऐ ना कर, how it is. But then they get used to that idea. Of course, I was at the peak of my career. I was doing Nagin season 4. I did
nice.
first 2 episodes.
Okay.
And I got that emotional call from my father कि hun vyah the time ho gaya hai, like how it is. aa jao.
I totally get it. I was very much emotionally blackmailed into getting married at 26.
Well, you married 28. Same story then. So, of course, I got back and I thought that part of me was done and dusted. हो गया, modeling हो गई, acting हो गई, सब हो गया. But after I got married, it was my husband who wanted me to continue, and he said, "Meeru."
Yeah, so how is that? Has he supported your career?
Oh my God! My
Arranged marriage थी या love?
बहुत फिल्मी स्टोरी है, लव है. 9 महीने मतलब मिले, प्यार हुआ एंड शादी हो गई.
Oh wow.
So it was at the beginning of my career, the few reels I made, few क्या खूब सारी reels, at least 50 of them. He was the one who shot them and edited
how
them.
Nice.
And he said, "Don't stop."
ये कहाँ मिलते हैं ऐसे?
ये वाला तो ईरान
फोटो
से
नहीं खिंचाते हैं.
ये वाला तो ईरान से.
My husband doesn't even get a picture click. He's so camera shy.
But then he really supported me, and then of course there were people who acted like friends and who made comments like, "Don't you think so? Posting so many reels is looking so desperate." And believe me, I cried and cried for 2 days, and I cried. And he told me, "अब तो ना तू give up कर ही नहीं सकती."
Wow. So he has this vision for you for the future.
Definitely.
कि आपको lifestyle influencer बनना है and you need to do well at
He
it.
said, "If not for yourself, you have to do this for me."
Wow. So that's how he's been the
I have
biggest
been so
support.
blessed by Babaji.
I know.
Seriously,
Absolutely.
He told me what to do, and there are days when I am stuck on an idea, and I go to him and I ask him, because I know he's my best friend, he's my biggest cheerleader, and he tells me, "If you do this way, it'll work," and it works.
Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm making you meet my husband. So making your husband meet my husband. No, my husband's very supportive
Yeah,
as
you
well.
are
He
good.
really
That's so
doesn't
well.
say anything to me. I'm a free bird. He supports everything I do. All he said was, "Okay, you can't shift to Bombay and start Bollywood," which I totally left because of him.
Yeah.
So Bollywood was never an option. It was either him or Bollywood, which is a story for another day. But it was so good having you
Thank
on
you
our
so
show.
much.
But last but not the least, we are starting with a rapid fire round, which is very inspired by Coffee with Karan. And coffee mugs are here. Our hamper is missing, but whatever comes up, we don't need to get so scared. It's all very simple.
Okay.
It's not as controversial as Karan. I'm not as naughty.
Okay.
Okay. So दोस्त या पति?
पति.
वो तो बोलना ही था.
नहीं, सच्ची.
मॉडलिंग या बिजनेस?
मॉडलिंग.
लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा झूठ जो आपने कहा?
जो सबसे बड़ा झूठ कहा मैंने, मॉडलिंग या बिजनेस में से मॉडलिंग.
शादी के बाद सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रगल?
Oh, how?
Do you have kids?
No, not yet. I have 2 fur
तो वही
babies.
सबसे बड़ा स्ट्रगल है.
I have 2 fur babies.
Even though I am blessed with a beautiful girl child, she does not give me any stress. So मैं नहीं बोलूँगी
नहीं
struggle है, but
बोलोगे.
a lot of people go through that.
And but people lie, हाँ, when they say शादी के बाद वो honeymoon period होता है, starting के 2-2.5 साल सबसे मुश्किल होता
अच्छा.
है. That was a struggle, but then then things fell in place.
Oh, perfect. आपका favorite destination travel?
I love Phuket.
सबसे irritating habit जो किसी दोस्त या पति की किसी दोस्त या आपके पति की जो आपको बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है?
पति की तो नहीं है. I can just detect कोई झूठ जब बोल रहा है, and जब वो दोस्त झूठ बोलते हैं ना, I can't take that. वो strike 1 हो जाता है, and I only get 3 strikes. वो strike 1 हो जाता है.
All right. दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी गलतफहमी आपके बारे में?
कि मैं बहुत नकचड़ी हूँ.
हाँ, मुझे भी लगता है मेरे बारे में ये सबसे बड़ी गलत है. I think I'm very friendly.
Yeah.
Cheers to that. So अगर इंस्टा पर एक चीज हमेशा के लिए बंद करवानी हो तो क्या होगा?
Paid followers,
Yeah.
paid likes.
Very good answer.
This
I think
has
so.
to stop.
Yes. I think hello Mark Zuckerberg.
Yes,
Are you hearing? Okay, एक चीज जो आपकी खुद से ज्यादा पसंद हो.
से ज़्यादा पसंद हो मुझे. I think.
मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ भी बोल सकती हूँ.
नहीं. I think that's my unconditional love for my fur babies and my family.
So Mrinalini, before going, please give our audience one advice. Whosoever is looking forward to making a career in this field, as you have a restaurant as well. So as a
Yes.
restaurateur, you didn't talk about that. So as a designer, as a model, as an influencer, जो भी in field में आना चाहता है उसके लिए one advice.
So, as I mentioned between also, if you want to join this industry, you have to hide your desperation. You can't look desperate. What is meant for you will come and fall in your lap aram se, but you have to put in that kind of hard work. Your struggle has to be real and things will work out. It'll be like manifestation wala magic. It will be there for you.
I'm definitely manifesting. Amen to that. So thank you,
Thank you so
Mrinalini.
much.
You were absolutely lovely. It was absolutely a pleasure having you here. Thank you so much, audiences, for joining us once again. This is your host, Amanpreet Wahi, saying goodbye on our amazing podcast on Edge Talks. Do not forget to subscribe and follow. Mwah.
Thank you.
Thank you.